Hello everyone, this side Mahima, founder of venture Heal with Mahima, where I do teach breathwork, sound healing and manifestation. So I will be talking about a topic. So did you know, like, most of the people think that stretching is just to loosen up your muscle, but did you actually know you are resetting the whole nervous system for your entire day? So morning stretches, especially in the yoga, activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which is also known as rest and digest mode. It helps you to reduce your cortisol level. It helps you to calm your mind and being in an energetic level. So let's talk about cat and cow pose. For example, in that pose, when you sink your breath, your spine awakens, your blood circulation increases, and you feel instantly calm. Add into your forward fold, where you are not just stretching to your hamstring, you are sending blood directly to your brain, letting it to relax, to calm, and to compose. Even 5 to 7 minutes of your morning routine can bring a lot of mental clarity, emotional well-being and a lot of energy to your day. So tomorrow morning, don't rush to your phone. Just roll out your mat, stretch, breathe and see the whole energy circulation in your body. You are just waking up your entire body and resetting to your whole day. Try it and comment down below how you feel about it. Like, share and subscribe to Beyond Lifestyle and never miss out on any update. Click a bell icon.